Yay, Josh here at DepriveD Productions with one more super simple Blender tutorial number 23. We're going to talk about text real quick before we jump into bigger and better things, and it's going to be real simple, real fast, it's going to be real simple and real fast. I already said that. Let's delete the cube. You know how you do it. You press X, Shift, A. Go down. You see a word text, bruh. You see that word text, click. You got to click on it. Now, what happens? You get your little thing says text. I'm going to press a little RX90. I know you're going to rotate it on the X90, and I got to kind of stand it up now. Okay, you got your little text. You're like, okay, that's it. Congratulations. Thanks for watching. You press the tab button, and you can actually use your backspace key and type in what you want. I'm going to type in DepriveD, right? Because that's how we roll, bro. Oh, now, I want to show you what you could do, because, I mean, what I do, I'm going to press tab again and get rid of the D, right? Because, maybe I am. Press tab, get rid of the D. And the reason I am is because our D is backwards a lot, so what I could do is, oh, God, remember, you can't just shift squiggly while you're in edit mode, bro, while you're typing. You know what I'm saying? But what I could do is press tab. I got DepriveD, okay, with no D. I'm going to shift D, okay? That's going to duplicate it. And then I'm going to grab, so G on the Y. Okay. Oh, no. Oh, God, don't do it. Shift D again, but grab it on the X, bro. And bring it up. Oh, God. Shift G. Grab it on the X. Don't press the Z button, bro. Now, bring it over here like that, okay? I like that. Now, what I can do, let's go in tab mode on that bad baby. And now I got this one, right? I just got the D over here, and then I can rotate it on the Z. Would it be 180 degrees? And then I may need to grab it on the X. One more time, bro. Put it about right there. Nice! You know what I'm saying? But we're not even going to do that. I just want to show you I can do that. You know, I just want to show you I can do that. Okay, I feel good about it. Let's go back to our original thing here. I'm going to put the capital D. Boom, there we go. Let's talk about the couple things we can do with text. Sorry, I'm just goofing off today. Real quick tutorial. When you have a text model that you've added through here, you'll have a little text tab right here. Little A letter. You know what I'm saying? You see text up here, kind of cool because you have the text. You have it selected. You know what I'm talking about? You go to the little text thing here. Let's talk about the few things we can do. The first one's pretty simple. Talks about the shape here. You may have some of your things down. May have some of your windows collapsed, bro. Just open them bad babies up. You can see, obviously, you can turn down the resolution of the letters themselves. You know what I'm saying? You can get nasty with it, bro. 1024. But is that really necessary? Is it? Well, let's look and see. Let's put it on 10 where I think it was. You can see a little lines there. You know what I'm saying? You can decide. I'm going to put it on 1, bro. I like that blocky look right now. DepriveD all day, every day. If you ain't hit up our AP, I don't know where you at or whatever that dumb people do on TikTok. But anyway, the point is, let's close that. We got a little shape we're going to use for now. We're going to texture space. I'm going to touch that. Hey, really got to touch it. Don't worry about that right now. Just go on down. Go to the geometry, bro. Now, you got the extrude. You see what's going on right here. Now, don't get crazy with it, dude. Because if you're like 5, you broke it. You know what I'm saying? Turn to 0.2. You know what I'm saying? Got a little extruding. You know what I'm saying? The eye looks funny. You know what I'm saying? It's the little dot. But it's not a dot no more, bro. It's like a tube is broken. Somebody didn't know how to model very good. Not me. That's not how I roll. Let's put it at 0.1. You know what I'm saying? Just have a little extrude in there. Okay, we're gonna talk about a couple other things we can do. Now, the offset's gonna break it too. You can press the 1. Oh God, let's go to 0.02. Let's see what it's slowly doing, right? You know, so let's slowly bring that up there. Okay. You see what's going on there? You can kind of change that offset a little bit, make it real thin. Make it real thin like that. Ooh, that's kind of sweet. Get it right about there. It's pretty much exactly where it was. Okay, so it's like I made 0 changes there, and I apologize. But look at that, bro. Look at that. It doesn't look good, does it? It doesn't. Yeah, you're right. You're right. Did you even say that? It doesn't matter. I agree with myself. Now we can keep going. We'll go on down here, bro. We can keep on smashing. You know what I'm saying? You can go to the font. You can go to the geometry. You know what I'm saying? Or where we were, obviously, the geometry. You can go down to the bevel here, and the bevel's pretty cool. You know how the bevel works, bro. We've done bevel, but if you set it to 1, you're gonna break it. Be careful. Like a 0.2. Oh God. Let's do a point. Okay, my God. Let's do a 0.03. You know what I'm talking about? It's got a little bevel. You got a little bevel, and then you can decide, obviously, the resolution of that. Because, I mean, I would set it about 10, bro. I want a little rounded edges. You know what I'm saying? A little rounded edge. 0.04. You know? Oh, God, 0.04. You can make it a little more fat. I like getting it fat. You know what I'm saying? So now it's like this, like, old school blocky textures. all touching each other. And you know what's cool? You can press the tab button, right? And I can just sit here and start deleting my letters. You know what I'm saying? If I want. I mean, even though I've made changes, you can go back here and delete your stuff. You know, just like I said, press tab, go to edit mode, and just start subtracting, just deleting them letters, bro, backspace. You know, I was backspacing all day, every day. You can keep going. Obviously, you can do a couple more things here. I just wanted to show you that it's easy to create text and then obviously toy with it. Make some changes, you know what I mean? You can go down here to the font. You can have a lot of fun with the font. Thing you might have to go to like Google Fonts or something like that and download some fonts and just plug them in here. It's actually super easy. I mean, I probably don't even talk you through that. Grab a font, plug it in here, boom, you done, bro. You done. Now, let's keep on looking. You go to paragraph, stuff like that. Like I said, that's honestly about it. Really easy stuff. You can convert it to a mesh. After that, we've talked about taking an object and converting it to a mesh. You know, it's an object, convert to, and then you can make it a mesh, and then boom, it'll be done, and then you can start actually no longer like tabbing and doing stuff like that. You can change the color. We'll go ahead and do that real quick right now. I'll make sure this bad baby selected, object, convert to, you know what I'm saying? And ta-da, you got yourself a mesh, bro. I picked the second one. I pressed the wrong button there, too. I pressed the wrong button, bro. You know what I mean? I be pressing wrong buttons all day, every day. But the point is, now I've got me like I got me a box. I got me some letters that I can look at, and I can like I can start toying with them as a model now. So now if I was like, you know, I got my model here, I could go to my modifiers and be like, dang, bro, I want to mirror that bad baby. Oh, snap. Snap, you know what I'm talking about? Like, have a little fun with it. And then, of course, even before, like, so if I Control Z, I keep pressing the wrong button, bro. I keep pressing it. Let's say I Control Z all the way back before I made it a mesh, okay? Yeah, we're back to the text here, you know what I'm saying? Because if I press tab now, I'm getting lost, bro. I'm getting lost. What's going on? If I press tab now, I'm back here, you know what I'm saying? My control squiggly ain't working the way it's supposed to be working. Control squiggly letting me down. And it's breaking my little heart, bro. But the point is, even though it's in text mode, we could go here, create a material, make sure we boom, hit it right here, and we could start toying with our material. Then we could go to object, convert to, boom. Like I said, we got him here. And then you could continue texturing it or whatever not. We've talked about shading and stuff. And again, mirror it all kind of times. You know, oh God. See what we got, bro. We got all kind of stuff happening. You know what I'm saying? Now, the problem is, if you go ahead and convert your mesh, you're not going to be able to go back into your text and make any changes. Because as you can tell, your little text button, he gone, bro. He gone. He gone. No, but seriously, you got to Control Z a bunch to get your life back on track. You know what I'm saying? Get your life back on track if you want to make these changes. Now, that doesn't mean, now, if you go to the modifier, let's see, with this thing selected while we're still in text mode, as you can tell. If I go to the modifiers, just real quick, and I hit the mirror, you know what I'm saying? We go to the mirror, boom, it'll still work. It's fine. Now, what happens is, if I delete them, you can see it's doing some magic. You know what I'm saying? It's just the point is, oh, God, see, man, that shift squiggly, it's letting me down today, bro. The point is, guys, you got a little text magic here. Have some fun with it, toy with it. I want to show you one more quick thing before we jump into some bigger and better things. You know what I'm talking about? This is really the only real simple thing we haven't covered in Blender. I think we've covered everything else when it comes to the simple stuff. So, guys, thanks for watching. Josh here with DepriveD Productions. Real quick and easy tutorial because I like them quick and easy. You know what I'm talking about. You know what I mean, homie. I'll talk to you soon. Love you, miss you guys. Go subscribe to the YouTube channel. We got 2,500 people watching. We're just having fun being idiots. At least me. I don't know about y'all. I'm being an idiot. Y'all don't have to do that. But, guys, hit us up on Facebook, SoundCloud, Bandcamp, itch.io, somethingelse.com. You know what I mean? All kind of .coms in the link. The links are in the description. Get our EP, man, DepriveD all day, every day. We got 3 EPs. I'm working on a 4th one right now. About to release that bad baby soon. I'll give you some dates on it pretty quick. We got some more music. Got a cover coming out in the next few days. But anyway, more tutorials coming. Thank you guys for being so patient. It's been a rough summer. Everything with COVID is kind of like catching up at work. So now we're having some more issues and like work's getting a little complicated. I'm working a lot of hours. So I apologize for being absent, man, but I love you guys and miss you guys. And I want to be on you, and I'm going to be one day. But until then, peace.